Okay, an agent that was, if I was an agent that was just starting to sell captives, I'd learn as much as I could. The terminology, the concepts, the way assessments are handled, the way other aspects of the program are handled, become an expert on it. And the more you learn, the more you'll appreciate it, and the more you'll value it. If you're hesitant to do it, I would say it's a lot easier to sell price and cheap insurance. But if you don't happen to be the guy with the cheapest insurance, what's plan B? And give the captive concept a try, because I think that it's a better fit for the customer and you, but it does take a couple more steps. It's a little longer term process. So it's stickier business. It's going to be around a lot longer. And but some people prefer that cheap insurance, lowest rate, cut to the punchline.